Only 1% of people have actually read this government crypto plan. Yet it could decide which coins skyrocket, and which disappear completely. Most people will never see it. But today, you will. Because I'm going to break down exactly what's inside, in plain English, and why this blueprint might be the most pro-crypto shift we've ever seen from Washington. Hidden in over 160 pages, there's one section that could finally end the chaos around crypto regulation, and it might rewrite the rules for every single coin in your portfolio. On July 30th, the White House dropped a massive document called Strengthening American Leadership in Digital Financial Technology. From the very first page, the tone is surprisingly positive, a total U-turn from the choke point strategies of past administrations. One of the biggest takeaways? A full endorsement of the Clarity Act, a bill that would finally decide which digital assets are securities and which are commodities. If it passes, that means coins won't suddenly get delisted just because lawyers can't agree on a definition. From day one, projects will know which rulebook they're playing by, and exchanges will know exactly what they can list, stake, or margin trade without fear of getting shut down. But regulation is just the start. Because what they're planning for the banks could be even bigger. Imagine your bank treating your crypto the exact same way it treats your paycheck: no frozen accounts, no mysterious delays, no endless paperwork. For years, if you got an email from your bank asking about your crypto activity, it basically meant one thing: brace for your account to be closed. But according to this new White House report, that era is over. The plan tells U.S. banking regulators to drop the old anti-crypto mindset and treat digital asset businesses, and everyday holders, just like any other lawful customer. And here's the real game changer: the Federal Reserve would grant master accounts to crypto-friendly banks, meaning they could settle payments directly on the Fed's ledger without middlemen. That's not just a small tweak. It could shrink on and off-ramp times from days to seconds. Imagine redeeming a stablecoin and seeing the cash in your account instantly. That's where this is headed. And that's not the only shortcut they're building, because the plan quietly puts one type of crypto in the driver's seat globally. It's not Bitcoin. It's not Ethereum. But it could become the most used crypto on the planet. The White House report is laser-focused on stablecoins, and it's backing the recently passed Genius Act to make them faster, cheaper, and fully backed. The goal? To lock in US dollar dominance on the blockchain. We're talking about compliant, dollar-pegged stablecoins so liquid and so easy to move across borders that no one would bother with another currency. In practice, this could mean your paycheck hits your wallet on Friday and is instantly spendable in dollars. Cross-border freelancers could get paid in tokenized USD and cash out locally without losing 5% or more in fees. And because the plan pushes for mandatory proof of reserves audits, you'd always know your stablecoins are actually backed 101. But there's one wild card in this plan that could send shockwaves through the market overnight. If this happens, we could see the fastest crypto bull run in history. Buried in the details is a hint that the US government might actually buy Bitcoin for its own reserves. Axios reports that senior officials expect to release more information soon, and while nothing's official yet, the implications are huge. If the US starts stacking BTC, it wouldn't just be a symbolic move, it could ignite a flood of institutional buying and kick off a bull run unlike anything we've ever seen. And while all of this sounds incredibly bullish, there's one part of the plan that hardcore crypto purists are going to hate. They want more control over your wallets, and yes, it could change how you use crypto. The report calls for tighter anti-money laundering rules, more wallet screening, and increased oversight on DeFi platforms. It specifically mentions using blockchain analytics tools to track and flag wallets tied to mixers, ransomware, or sanctioned addresses. This could mean more automated freezes and flagged deposits, even if you're a few transactions removed from a suspicious source. The good news? The White House still says Americans must have the right to self-custody their coins, meaning you can still hold your own keys without interference. So what does all of this really mean for your portfolio and the crypto market as a whole? This blueprint isn't just talk, it's a roadmap for a pro-crypto America. Regulatory clarity could finally attract big money projects back to US soil. Banking reform could give crypto businesses the same access and speed as traditional finance. Stablecoins could cement the dollar's place as the global default currency. And if the Bitcoin reserve rumors turn out to be true, the resulting demand could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Bottom line, they've just handed us the playbook. The only question is, will you act before the rest of the world even knows it exists? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this a green light for the next bull run, or just politics dressed up as progress? Make sure you're subscribed and have the bell on, because the next update from Washington could change everything. And you'll want to hear it first.